Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? My name is Liam Peterson. I'm super excited because we're Disneyland. Yeah, that's right. We're in Disneyland. We're spending the next 3 days at the park. We're not starting until tomorrow, but we are going to Goofy's Kitchen tonight. It's our first time to Disneyland, so a new adventure, new place. I don't know why are we waiting around, so let's just go, okay? Let's start this off. So are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm so nervous.
Yeah. Any ribs for you? Ooh. Buster! We're at the Disney Hotel. Look, I got my big hat on.
Aww.
Good morning, everyone. It's the first day of Disney at 6:30 in the morning. The park opens at 8. We want to be there before the lines get too long today. How does it feel to be the first ones, though?
Really good.
We got a mad dash going right now. This is the emptiest it's gonna get ever. That's 14,000. That's 141,000. Zoe thought she won. Who's the better shooter?
You on the phone. I find
Who's your favorite character?
I like Winnie the Pooh.
You like Winnie the Pooh? He's got a nail in his bum.
He always loses his tail. I love my tail again.
we could go to Santa Barbara. We can drive all night or grab a last flight to anywhere you want.
In the tube.
So let's go. Let's try. 'Cause we know that this might be our last time. And we could be lovers in a crazy romance. Give me love and
What are we getting, though?
Sweatshirts.
Matching sweatshirt?
Matching. Couple sweatshirts.
Day 2 in Disney. Look at, we're matching this morning. We're off to California Adventure this morning. It's bright and early again.
here again. It's been years, but this feels like it's just beginning. Life was good in Hollywood Hills when I wanted you more than ever. Music in the night under all the lights. I could have stayed forever. So let's go. Let's try. 'Cause we know that this might be our last time. And we could be lovers in a crazy romance. Give me love and don't let it go. Been here before when we lost control of everything.
So he's about to see what Disney character she's most like. Are you nervous, though? I'm nervous. I don't know what character I'm gonna get.
You are most like Jack Skellington.
Sadly, just like that, it's our last day in Disney.
For a little madness, where did it go? We've been here before when we lost it all. Always wanted to be in the madness.
Did you get a little wet? Sweater got all wet.
What's a sweater to feel?
But it's sunny out, right?
Try. 'Cause we knew that this might be our last time. And we could be lovers in a crazy
end of the Disney trip, and that's also the end of our California trip. We drove 15 hours yesterday to Salem, Oregon, and today we're finishing our last 6 hours up to Vancouver. We're not stopping anywhere because we're pretty exhausted. Thank you so much for coming with us on this trip. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I'll see you guys again on Tuesday back in Vancouver with something new. Thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I'll see you guys then.